The 10:18 a.m. train to Penn Station is expected to arrive on track 1, platform A, in approximately 5 minutes.
Hey guys, good morning. I'm on the train right now. Going to the city. Going to Joan at the NEOGEN launch thing at the Bari. I'm super excited. But yeah, this train will get there around 11, so I'll be a little early. So I'll probably just sit at like a coffee shop and just wait for time. Hey guys, so I'm heading to the Bari right now. I'm like not that early. I thought it'd be earlier, but I'm like just on time. So I'm just walking over. I'm super excited. I actually bought some stuff from Magnolia, and one of my favorite hand creams, like the Soap and Glory one, to give to her. I'm super excited. Hopefully they're selling some of the creams there, because I wasn't able to pick one up from Amazon. They were like all sold out. So I'm hoping they have it. I met some people. Yes, I say hi. Yeah. So we're just waiting. We got like a little like gift thing that we're excited for, and it's so pretty in here. It's so good.
To have meals. So we have prepared a 5 dishes on the back. So after session 1, you can just like ready to go and you can just take a meal and just chit chat. And then we're gonna start session 2, which is a casual meet and greet. So now we're about to start session 1. And here for session 1, we actually have invited our special guest and host for today's event. And I introduce Clap intro for today's host. I was nervous. She was like, what kind of intro do you want? Do you want peachy? It was very peachy. Okay. So Joan's going to introduce her collab with NEOGEN, and she'll give you guys all the rundown information because she's a beauty expert. Okay. It's very exciting that we're having the first meet and greet with the NEOGEN cream in New York. I'm so happy to be here, and thank you all for coming once again. So the Joan Jaded Night Cream, did anyone try it yet? Thank you. Joan Jaded Night Cream, I wanted to have 2-in-1, and I love tea because it helps me wake up and also helps relax me. So I wanted to use that concept to create it. And green tea is one of my favorite ingredients in skincare, and I realized that there weren't that many lavender ones, so we did a lot of back and forth with NEOGEN. So I'm going to show you guys what's in each of these. Is it 4 drops instead of 5?
Is that Dr. Jar?
So there's a hyaluronic acid aqua capsule sheet mask. This is so you break a capsule. This is so cool. This is my design.
Oh my guys, look who I found. It's Joan.
I hope you all have a
but
Wait, yeah, I saw like the white box and the colored side, and it was yellow.
Korea, you have to go to Dr. Jar's flagship store.
Oh,
It's like
the one she bought.
Yeah, the one she bought.
It looked amazing.
I was like, I feel like I'm in like an art museum, but it's like us. Like
I know. I wish we had more of those in New York.
Yeah, they're starting to have
Like I have a couple
but
more.
like it's just,
Gentle Monster has like a really
oh my
cool
god,
one.
Gentle Monster in Korea is like amazing. It's so cool.
I'll try some.
I don't even. This smells amazing.
This one? I have the one.
I have this one.
Yeah, this is their new like acne line, I think. Hi, Joan. Thank you. Thank you. Congrats.
You're the youngest.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, here you go. This way? Okay. That was really fun.
That was really fun.
Ah, okay, that makes sense.
We're very good.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. What is this software? Oh, it's actually in the break right now. Oh, really? No, I'll just come by later. Okay, awesome.
Oh, shoot. That's so cool. Oh, is that like the ice cream?
Oh, ice cream's upstairs.
Upstairs? I kind of want to look at it. Oh, shoot.
Like all like their signature stuff. It's like literally like 10 something.
Oh,
It's actually really good.
I kind of want one. I shouldn't though.
I'm not gonna get it.
Yeah.
It was like a one and done kind of thing. But they have, if you go over there, I think they have like a
Oh, like a showroom kind of thing?
yeah, they change it up all the time. But they have,
Ah, okay. Stickers. We're at Amazing Kitsune? Kitsune?
how do you say?
How do you say
Maison Kitsune.
Maison
Have you ever shopped here?
No.
No.
First time?
Yeah. Coming here. Good choice. This is the new collection from fall winter 18.
Oh, okay.
Everything is
Thank you. Joan shops here too. Their stuff is really edgy. Oh, that looks so soft. Yeah, I know too. Weird. Yeah, it's a shoe store. Hi. Can wait, guys, come in. They like changed it. It was like that sparkly hanging stuff. Yeah, but they changed it, so it's like a little different. Yeah.
They're so overboard.
I know. Wait, what is it made? It's like silicone?
It's like literally like rubber.
Wait, the shoes smell like bubble gum? Is that what they said?
They smell.
Oh. Wait, that throws me off a little bit.
I was like, I didn't know it was a shoe store when I was coming here.
Oh, oh. Oh, thank you so much. Ooh.
I didn't know it was upstairs.
This is, I don't think I've ever done something like this. Oh. Oh my god, watch us get stuck in this elevator.
Oh no, don't say that.
Oh no. Hey guys, so I am back home. That was an experience. My feet were in so much pain. My shoes are cute and all, but I need to take like rest stops where I have to like sit down because I was trying to catch a train and running in heels is not fun. But yeah, I thought I'd just sit down and show you guys what freebies I got from the Joan x NEOGEN kind of launch event. I'm so glad I got to meet Joan. She's so nice and she's so pretty in person. Abe was there too. He's so funny. So yeah, I had a lot of fun. I met some new friends. But yeah, it was a really great experience. Thank you, Joan, for coming to New York. And yeah, so I'll just open this. Packaging is so cute though, like look at the little lace thing. So extra, but I love it. Oh, they're cute. Okay, so I got a sample of the gauze peel the lemon one. I actually have this one. I do quite like it, but I'm excited about this one. This is the wine one. Ooh, what is this? It's a serum in oil drop. Also NEOGEN. Hold on. Focus. White truffle. I got another NEOGEN. Real Cica Micellar cleansing foam. Ooh. And then the Reapy, I think. I didn't know this was actually under NEOGEN. I've heard Joan talk about it. It's the Bio Fresh Mask with real calming herbs. And finally actually I was gonna pick this up, but I'm glad I got a sample. It's the NEOGEN sunscreen that I think Joan had mentioned in one of her videos. And then 2 lollipops. But yeah, so after the event I went with people I was sitting with at the Bari to do some shopping around Soho, really just window shopping because everything was so expensive. We literally like hit up all the stores that Joan went to when she was in the city. So like Reformation, Opening Ceremony, where else? Maison Kitsune, We also went to Petite. They literally just opened yesterday. One of the girls had got an email about it, and it's a really cute store. It's on like the 2nd floor. Where else did we go? We went to All Saints, and then we went to Boba Guys. I got the caramel milk tea. It's like one of their specials for like the fall and winter with boba. And it's pretty good. I got my brother the jasmine with 75% sugar, and it's still really sweet. So if you're gonna go to Boba Guys, maybe get less sugar in that one. But yeah, this is pretty good actually. The line was really long though. But yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was so nice to meet Joan. It literally just made my weekend. I'm so happy right now. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.